Multiple orientation and auto rotation settings. I'm going to use my son as an example. So the way cerebral palsy expresses himself, particularly early on, was he basically used his hands in a fist, in balls. And he would, early on when he was using a tablet, he didn't care whether the screen was facing him or not. Now that he understands that the screen has information, he's starting to read and do all these other things, he wants to make sure that the screen is actually rotated the right way. And so he actually uses his hands. I often see him flipping the screens around. Now, one of the things that you can do is you can, within the operating system, you can turn the auto rotation system on or off. So if you've got a user who gets particularly frustrated with the screen rotating all over, particularly if they have it in their lap, you can show them how to turn on and off auto rotation, or just turn auto rotation off completely, and that allows you to fix the screen in one direction. It won't keep rotating, either portrait or landscape. Now, the reason why the multiple orientations are so important, particularly when it comes to fine motor and physical impairments, is, let's say you mount the device to a wheelchair that's generally a fixed mount, and it isn't going to allow you to rotate it portrait or landscape. Now, there are wheelchair mounts that will allow you to do that, but sometimes the users don't have that physical capability of doing that. And so you're going to want to fix the screen in one orientation so that the user doesn't keep rotating on the user, or that it's just more usable for the user.